Hello friends, in this video, let's see what are the different ways to move the sprites. For that, now let's go for this software of MIT Scratch. So this is a software of Scratch. Now I'll be telling you the three ways how to move the sprites. First way is that to make the sprite move forward and backward, to move and move back. Yeah. And in the second way, I'll be explaining you with the coordinates how to make the sprite to move in the four direction: forward, backward, upward, and downward. If you feel it's difficult with the coordinate system, I'll tell you another method by using the pointing direction to move the sprite. So now I'll be explaining the first way to move the sprite. So now I'll make the character to move forward and backward. For that, I'm selecting the block of going for events and now selecting the sprites. Like if I select alphabet right key, so it should go for move 10 steps. So go for motion. Now select the block for move 10 steps. Now if I want to make it to come back, go for events and the same way select when which key is pressed. So I'm selecting for left arrow key. Now for that I'm programming with positive for the forward, and to make the backward just add minus for this. Minus 10 steps. So this is a simple way to make the cat to move forward and backward. So now let's run and see. I'm clicking on the green flag, right key and left key. So this is the first way how we can move the cat forward and backward. Now I want to tell you the second way to move the cat to for all the directions. So I'll be placing the right and left in the same way, and now I'll be attaching other blocks of up key and down key. So select up arrow key and now go for events and select down arrow key. After that, now let's see for the coordinate system. So we are having two coordinate system, that is x and y. So x is a horizontal axis and y is a vertical axis. So up down comes under vertical axis, forward and backward comes under horizontal axis. So that is x axis. Now if I want to move the cat to forward, means I should change y. Sorry, I should change with the x axis. Now select the block of change x by 10. Now if I want to make the cat to move backward, change x by minus 10. Now in the same way, to move up and down or scroll down, you can able to see change y by 10. So for moving up, it's a positive sign, change y by 10. And for the down arrow key, you same change y by minus 10. So this is a simple way, like you can program for the four keys by using the coordinate system. Now let's see and run. Up, down, right, and left. So these are the ways like which you can move the cat forward, backward, up, and down. Now I want to discuss third way. Like if you are confused with the coordinate system to remember x and y. So if you want to add something easiest way for kids. So now I'll be using other sprite instead of cat. I'll be taking the ball because now I'm selecting like point in direction block. So for that, it's only need only the direction to move. So this is my ball. So for my ball, I want to program. Now in the same way, select the keys. You can select up, down, right and left or A, B, C, D. You wish like what are the keys you are comfortable. You can select that keys. Up, down, right and left. Now I've selected all the program keys up, down, right and left. Now I told we will be using one block called point in direction. Go for motions and see eighth block will be point in direction. Just select that block. Upward means our direction should be up. So make this arrow mark to up. Bring it to up. So this is the point in direction. After giving the direction, we should give the movement for the ball to move. So for that, select move 10 steps, drag it and place it. Now in the same way, select point in direction block for remaining programming for down, right and left keys. So down and now for giving the movement, move 10 steps. Now point in direction towards right, that is 90 degrees, and for the left, minus 90. Right. Now I should give the movement for the right and left also, giving the movement. Now let's see how my ball is going to work. If I'm clicking up, both are moving up, down, both are coming, right, left. Because like in the for the character also we are programmed for up, down, right and left, but I have removed the right for giving the small variation. How we program for the same up, same is there. So right I have not programmed for the cat. So now cat is not moving. So in this way you can program for the sprites in three different ways to change the direction. Thank you.